All right, sound check, y'all. It's raining out here. Raining, as you see in Portland. On this rain on the street. Yes, sir. It's your boy Pleasure Ellis, man. 2012, before the fame. It's happening. So, yes, sir. All right. The stretch. Got the stretch right there.
Gotta get this on cam. You know what it is, man. We stretch
A1,
how
A1.
it is, you know.
Yeah.
Egypt, we out.
Egypt. Kim. Tay. Red. Dirty. Yes. As you see, they getting inside. Got Mike right there.
What's up, P?
What's up, Mike? Down in Portland, huh?
Portland, man, finna make this happen, man.
Yeah.
You know what time it is. What time is it, P?
It's hammer time. Stretch right there. Mark, what is it, man?
What's happening, man? You know, we gonna do what we do. Hammer time. You know, we gonna keep it real. And you know what I got to say about that? We gonna hit them hard, we gonna hit them low, we gonna every which way we loose.
Boom!
Oh, that's us right there. That white one.
The Benz? Oh, no.
The Hummer.
Right, exactly. Okay, yeah. Here goes the stretch that me and Dre in right here in Ham. Come pick us up right now. Dre, we back, man.
That's right, man. We better do this again, huh?
Yeah, always. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna get in the stretch real quick. All right, y'all. Pleasure Ellis, Big Dre. I'm gonna get him. Yeah. Run, play the 20 hour. Yeah. Run it, got it. A little bit more. Come on. Coming through. I'm coming through. We ain't playing. I got this. All right.